Putting the terminals, the wiring back on the terminals. We took a picture of the old one so we know which wire goes to what terminal. Right here I have the yellow. This is my yellow wire. It goes to Y. And in this case it's very simple. You put it inside the hole, you push and it stays. Next, right here I have the green, the G wire. Just like the old one, I know that the green wire goes to G. Put it inside the hole, push, it stays in. You can see here on the bottom that those two are in. Keep going, the next one would be my C terminal, and I know because I have a picture of the old one that it goes with the blue wire. That's it for my left side. Moving up to the right side, here on top I have the W2. I know it's a heat pump and the old wire was white, so I'm gonna put the white back on W2. Next here I have the O wire, and that's orange. The orange wire goes to the O terminal. Push it in, stays, we're good. Last one is the R terminal and the red wire. It looks like everything, just making sure. No, you see the W is not in there quite right. I'm gonna take it out. And I'm gonna redo that's the only one I don't like here. I'm gonna redo this one. Push it in and it stays. Nice. And close this cover.